All right, successfully checked in. Oh, you already sidetracked here.
And my kin are mighty hungry. They're going to be real happy to see you cooking over a nice hot fire, that is.
Oh,
Now,
this guy always sprays stuff. Always spraying on the kids. Midsummer Scream. Joining me is Talon.
Hello, let's
Corpse Pit.
explore this
Haunted Farm. Haunted Farm. We're gonna do the Barn of Terror. There's no haunted hayride for Midsummer Scream. We got Barn of Terror and a few other haunts we're gonna be going through. We're gonna head over, do a couple mazes quick before they close. They close before it gets dark. And we'll get to some of the scare zones. All right, Midsummer Scream. Live life on the edge.
Live life on the edge,
They're
Talon.
selling ones this big. Might only be like $500.
Drink the whole thing.
Definitely get you drunk. That giant sawtooth, and we have a giant flying canoe apple hard cider. Sold here, so we're gonna get some cider in a little while. Rosy cheeks.
Rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks.
Are you expecting to see
It's strawberry and rhubarb.
It's pretty
Yes.
good. I'm gonna get a full can of that.
Are you getting a video? Go for it.
Am I able to? Awesome.
Yeah, candy apple one's
Yeah,
good.
we have two different prices, like you heard.
Yeah, you like that.
Excellent.
But we missed it.
Okay, so
How
right
many
now
are we allowed to
baseball
have?
price.
This stuff is delicious.
It's pretty good, huh?
They gave us a bunch of samples.
You took a bunch of samples. This is the big one though, Tal. If we're only gonna do one big maze to start off this video, this is the mile maze. Oh, I don't know the way. I mean, this is the hard one. They're all relatively easy here at Saunders, but for anybody who's seen my videos in the past, this is the one, and this is the mind bender. Careful, don't come to one of these big pools.
How old is Saunders Farm?
Oh yeah, well, so good question. This maze in Saunders Farm in general is pretty old, like since the 70s. This maze has probably been here deteriorating. All these gates and the maze itself was probably built probably in the 80s or 90s. Definitely in 90s, this maze. 80s or 90s. I'm gonna say 90s. They used to have a couple more mazes. Getting deep into the thickness of madness, Talon. Look at that dragonfly. Wow, look at that. Look at this thing's body. Definitely feels like Midsummer Scream is underway. We just start off here with a little bit of claustrophobic terror. Getting lost in the maze with us. Oh, zip line. Here comes somebody on the zip line. Wow. Zip line. But hey, I gotta take this nice private maze walk. Enjoy a Saunders cider.
Mazes.
Raced by this rainbow. Rainbow! I'm the man on the silver mountain. Yeah, look at that. Alright, we're gonna get to some haunts. Just gonna see if the big 40-foot slide is waterlogged or not. Witch Mountain. There you go.
How's it close? Oh, there. Oh, that would
Talking
suck.
Friday the 13th.
That would suck being in that, actually. That's so uncomfortable.
See if it's full of water or not. And we'll start with the haunts. Witch Mountain. Talon's never been up on Witch Mountain. Oh, I don't see any water right now, but the slide might be soaked. All right, about to get the haunting season officially started. When we start passing through the haunts, we'll do them a couple times. All right, straight to the top. Straight to the top. Ooh, oh, this big mud pit at the bottom. Oh, it's wet.
I don't care.
Okay, you're gonna go down, I'll film you. Go ahead. Don't get your ass full of mud. Oh no, he went right through that.
Full of mud?
His ass is full of mud. Okay, I'm not doing that.
Oh, no, don't. Well, it's not wet anymore because my ass fucking got all the wet off of it.
Oh man. I'm gonna try to avoid it. Oh no. I wet my ass. Oh! Nice.
Oh, yeah.
dude.
Yeah, you went right through that.
Ah, my fucking arm.
I'm glad I didn't go through the, I didn't go through that. Look, there's the other side of the rainbow here. See the whole arch? We were at the other side over there. All right, let's head back over there. We'll start with the Circus Macabre. Here we go. First haunt of the season, Circus Macabre. Let's go. The old head in the popcorn maker here. You gotta talk over the heavy metal riffage. Oh, it's a maze, it's a maze. Let's find where you're going here.
This way. Don't be shy. Everyone follow up.
Okay, alright. It's very mazy this year. Oh, wow. Okay, alright. Here we go. Into the mirror maze. Alright. Oh, yeah. Smoky in here. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm in the circle to join Circus Macabre. What is that? Yes. Oh, God. Horns. Join the rock in the Circus Macabre. Strobe light right. He's rocking out here. Oh, God. Yeah, we're heading to another heavy metal sector here. It's murky. It's dead end. Watch your fingers don't get caught in the broken glass. Jesus. Oh my God. I hate clowns. Oh my God. She's ever so scary. Oh, jeez. Heavy metal vortex. Oh. Yes. That's pretty good. Alright. Oh! This guy over here. A giant toothbrush. A giant toothbrush. Oh, what do we got here? Crown music. Oh. Oh, jeez! Oh, God! Is that guy real? My goodness, I can't tell which one of these are real. Fuck! Jesus! Ah! Dang! Alright, first walkthrough. Oh, yeah. You got me. Oh, no. He's frightening. Hi! Oh, a talent got recognized. You must be Corpse Pit fans. Yeah. Straight into another maze. Right off the exit of the Macabre Funhouse. Damn, that was pretty wild. That friggin' heavy set gentleman at the end. Yeah, this is crazy. Mushroom tree. Which way shall we go? Okay, we're gonna go this way. Oh, watch the leather, man. Watch the leather. This was at one time not an official opening, but now it is. That was wicked. Can't get into this maze unless you go through the Circus Macabre. It's pretty interesting. Question is, how the heck do we get out? Oh no.
Please don't kill me.
Oh my. Oh geez. Look at that.
Fuck yeah, thank you.
It's okay though. He's a nice scarecrow.
That's awesome.
Oh, man, that's pretty awesome. Alright, so next up's probably the scariest one. This is usually a separate attraction from Saunders. This is the Sawmill. Check it out. We've used the classic Saunders farm, established in '76 truck. Alright. Hope you're ready, Talon.
I'm gonna go get a picture of that scarecrow.
You can hear the action going down in there. Oh, they've taken the early exit. This guy's coming out of it.
Hello and welcome, guests. I am your most humble tour guide. Please make your way into the elevator as I bring you on the experience of a lifetime with my most welcoming friends. And I encourage you to hold on, as it is a bumpy ride into the depths of the Sawmill.
nice. Actually, whoa. We're on a little elevator.
Are you ready to meet my friends?
Oh.
Because I know they're just dying to meet you. Woohoo! Enjoy the tour.
Strobe light warning, strobe light warning. Alright, some loud noises. We're heading deep into the Sawmill. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, this is eerie. Oh, God. There's bones. There's bones on the wall. Crazy lady down this strobe hall. Oh, my God, she's closing the door. We got nowhere else to go. Let us in. We're hungry. Oh my. Oh. Whoa. Oh, goodness. Oh, she came up behind her. Came up behind you. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Right there. Oh, there's burlap. Burlap touching my... Right behind us. Oh, God. Compressed air. Why? Hey, major strobe light warning, folks. Strobe light warning. Crazy warning. Oh, hard to see.
I keep having to look back.
God, it's just darkness. Okay. Whoa. Okay, it's unsteady terrain here. Love unsteady terrain. Yes. Okay. Back out. Back into the outside world. Oh, jeez.
Enjoy!
What is he cooking with those?
Enjoy the joy!
The what?
Thanks, man.
Enjoy the what? Which way? In here? Going this way. I don't know what he's doing with that. Oh my God! Oh, jeez!
It's dinner time!
Oh, God, there's big pieces of meat in here. Pig carcasses. Pig carcasses. Whoa! Oh, this is a door. Oh my gosh, it's darkness. Oh, jeez. Okay. Infinite strobing. Alright, we're good. Snap, crackle, and pop in here. Okay, I'm guessing we can follow this faint blip of light. Oh my God. Oh dear. What the heck is in here? Oh! You stay on that. Oh! Oh, it's chasing Talon here. Oh, okay. Yeah, someone's house within this sawmill. Oh God, this is creepy. Oh God. There's a pig man up here. It is! Oh!
Hungry!
Oh! Where do we go? Oh my God, is this the right way? Oh God, there's gotta be this hallway behind me. Jesus. These things are obscure. Okay, alright. Oh man, look at this. Oh, full corpse here. Full corpse here on this table. It's all corpse. She got me. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. This is deadly in here. Barrels of acid. I smell chainsaw. This isn't good. I smell saw. Ah, jeez.
Fresh meat!
I'm not so fresh. He's fresh. He's fresh. I'm not fresh.
Tasty!
Oh, fucking chainsaw.
Chainsaw flooded. Flooded. Oh no, it's flooded. Oh, there it is. Oh my God.
We will have our
Chase right in here.
We've earned it!
Which way? This way?
Earned it!
Alright, where are we going? I don't know. Oh, jeez. It's so dark. You need more air. Oh! More arrows in here. Jeez, that chainsaw guy chased me right down a whole hallway. Oh, actual cobwebs. Oof. Jeez. Oh my God. Jesus.
Holy fucking shit. Wow, we almost got
Too close. All right, entering the barn of terror. It's been about, what, 10 months since I've been through this barn? Covered it many, many times on my show. Talon has never been through here, so this is gonna be pretty fun. This is gonna be fun. Got the elements following. Luckily, got the waterproof camera, so we're good. We're good. Slowly make our way through. Entering the old barn once again. Dr. William Saunders. Barn of Terror. It's been about 10 months. Oh, yes. Oh.
All the books. The doctor. It has all of his knowledge in it.
A lot of books.
You want to be an experiment?
Yes, I do.
Come on. The
These
doctor's waiting
leaning
for you.
towers of books here.
You must not keep.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! A few changes in here this year. Okay, so strobe light warning. Strobe light warning. Oh God. Is this guy real? I can't tell. Oh God. Oh dear. Whoa! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh! Oh! Get him! Get him! He's coming! Ah! Ah! Just gonna get Talon here. Whoa! Oh my! It's crazy experiments. Scare Talon right here. Talon, stay close.
Scared the shit out of me.
Uh-oh.
This is awesome. I wish we could
Suits.
just get to see all the cool stuff.
It's cool. Look at this. Down the deep, dark stairwell here. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, jeez! What the heck is that? Oh my God! We have to follow him. In the deep, dark basement. Oh, his coffin's moving. Oh my God! Where'd that ghoul go? Oh! 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 Jeez! Oh, another one here. Spear. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Right in the personal space. Right in the personal space. Whoa! Jesus, that one was wet. Oh! Oh! Wetness. It would dripped on my head. What's that one? Jeez! Whoa! Whoa! Stuff's whipping me here. Whoa! Jeez. Man, they've really spiced it up for Midsummer Scream. I love it. Oh, I love this. Oh my God, she's right on my tail.
This is so awesome.
Take Talon. Take Talon.
Oh no.
Whoa! Whoa! Cuckoo in here. Look at this. Love all the work here. Bones! Bones! Oh! God! Oh! Jeez! Oh my God, he's making funny noises. Man, it really amped up the scares this year. This is wild.
Oh shit, he's coming.
Following you? There he is. There he is. Oh! Oh God, what's beneath me here? Oh! Oh, he touched me! Oh. I didn't think they touched you. It's like the olden days when they opened this up in the 90s and they used to touch you. It was awesome. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're taking our leave. We're taking our leave. Oh, all right. There we go. First reaction to the Barn of Terror.
That was sick.
As if you've never been in there.
I want to go back and
Scaring people. Yeah, we'll do another round of that. Do another round of that for sure. Check it out. Entering Bonesville Cemetery now. There's a little walkthrough in here. Giant skeleton animatronics. Nail through the skull. Hell yeah. All right, let's walk through this tomb. Let's walk through the tomb. Appears to be empty. It's a crypt.
come back. We're gonna come back to the graveyard.
I'm surprised that darkness has not fallen yet. We'll do another run through of all the haunts. Oh, what the heck? Ah! Okay. Wow. Dark glowing bunny in here. Oh, okay. I went the wrong way. What is that? Another one. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Usually there's nothing in here. This is wicked. Oh, jeez, look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, it's a whole family. Ah! Screamed in my mouth. Right down to my soul.
Though, but as you know, welcome to the Sawmill, where I will bring you down in the elevator to the deep depths.
Hell yeah.
Enjoy, and please hold on. It's a bumpy ride.
It's a shaky elevator right here. Oh no!
Are you ready
It's even more wobbly right
to
here.
meet my friends? I know you are.
It's right on the wall here. Oh, now it's back here.
Enjoy the tour.
Alright, let's go. Oh, here we go. That goes through a little bit quicker. Second round of the Sawmill. Wow, this is all built out of crates. Pretty incredible work. Oh my God. Oh God. Getting here once already doesn't make it any less scary.
Hang out with some cannibals.
I see her at the end of the hall here. Closing us in again. Let us through, let us through. Oh, oh. You lose a finger in here, you have to be careful. Oh! Oh, he's right on our tail here. Oh God, he's right here. Oh, it's another cannibal. Oh, cannibals and compressed air. Here's the Thrasha view. I can't see anything. Oh, burlap in my mouth. Okay, all right, hard right. Hard right. Oh, wobbly, wobbly. Oh, daylight's still drawing on. Oh, he's still cooking. Yeah. He's still cooking. Cooking. What's he cooking with those spoons? I make hamburger helper with those spoons. Oh my, look at this guy.
It's dinner time.
Oh, what is that? A cleaver? Oh man.
It's for the meat.
Oh, I ran into this carcass. Oh, stomp it. Stomp it. Get into this. Oh, this pig carcass is here. Detail here. Got food, skulls, and a stove over here. Chandelier up there. Some other people have been invited to dinner here before us. They keep all their pans and stuff up on the roof. Where do they keep their pans up? Oh.
So hungry.
Nice kitchen.
Smell good.
Keep going. Oh! Stop hitting stuff. I love the work on this corpse here on the slab.
Because it'd jump out on me.
Oh my god, it's like rubber. Oh wow. Bones and stuff. Wow. This thing is thick as hell. Oh, got the whole workshop going here. This guy got his head in a cage. Head in a cage. So awesome. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's the same woman, same cook. Oh, fuck. That's like gas right in the face. Holy cow. Over here on these head saws. Oh wow, look at this.
You won't feast!
Oh jeez.
We've earned it!
Don't feast, please. Having a good time here, illumination fully setting in. Going to the Circus Macabre again. Second round on the Circus Macabre.
How obvious do I need to make it?
So right there,
Here we go.
So another security guard.
Careful on the wrist.
Careful on the
Here we go. Have fun at the circus.
That guy is awesome. Head in the popcorn machine. Head in the popcorn maker.
Oh, he's scared.
Oh, no. That collar's keeping a monster.
Welcome!
Oh, God.
This one!
Oh, jeez. I'm not shy. I'm a little on edge, but not shy. Oh. Oh. All right, okay. It's a heavy metal layer here. Oh, all right. Psycho clowns everywhere. Psycho clowns. Look at this thing. That scare. There was a woman right here. Come in. One of the scares missed me. Ah! There he is. The heavy metal clown here. What is that thing? Yeah! It's pool noodle. Glad I wore my obituary shirt. Just join us. Yes. Alright, on a pool noodle central here. Oh god. Oh, darkness and pool noodles. Who does this? Oh! Oh god, there's some sort of like grinder in it. Oh, jeez. Knocking the camera. Oh, oh. Oh, there it is. Oh. Where's that? Finger caught in one of these. Oh! Oh! She's happy. She's happy. She's having a good time. Oh god. She's very excited. LED lighting up in her face. Oh! Whoa! Jesus. This is wicked. Alright, onto the vortex. Woo. Oh! Oh god! Watch out! Look at this guy! He's trailing us. He's trailing us. Oh, god. Run, Talon! Run! Run! Oh good, he's going away. Okay, alright. You're trying to hide back here. So you can't tell the clowns are alive or dead. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh God, that horn! Oh, that's worse than the chainsaw. See you later. This guy.
Oh no, they're
That guy is scary.
They're following us.
He's scary. Back in the barn.
All I can say is good luck!
I am the esteemed Dr. Charles Saunders. I am so grateful that you have volunteered to be part of my magnificent work. It is unlikely that you will make it out of here alive. We must pay to achieve greatness. You see, death is but a doorway. Away with you now. There's much work to be done. I shall see you very soon.
Alright, taking our final walk from Midsummer Scream through the Barn of Terror. Ooh, the place is rattling. Look at this interesting bench here. Okay, alright, let's get into it. Stacks of books. Oh. Hello, ma'am.
Are you ready to see the doctor? He's
Morbid
ready
librarian.
to see you.
Morbid librarian. Look at all these stacks of books. Yeah, stacked every
We
which
must not
way.
keep the doctor waiting. Let's be satisfied.
She gets me every time. She gets me every time. Very dark and brooding in here. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Oh. Whoa. I don't know if that guy's alive or dead. All the projects in here. The one that experiments on babies. Dead babies. How morbid. How morbid indeed. Ancient, century-old barn.
The basement.
Into the basement. This is very creepy. Go that away. Oh, these hands. Oh. Hello?
Is he gonna come up?
I think he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Right, heading into the experiments laboratory. Dr. Saunders. Oh, Jesus! Oh my God! Oh! Something wet. Wet sprayed on me. This whipping. Just gonna use this window too. Don't scare me, don't scare me. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh man, there's things popping out everywhere. I like this. I like all this green and radioactive goo. Whoa.
Fuck you.
This stuff. I reached the long, foggy corridor. Oh God! Oh God, it's like a... Oh my God, what happened to you, sir? It can't be healthy to breathe this in. Oh, this organ music. Ah! Good God. Cool. Turns the lights on.
I don't think that's part of the tour, is it? Oh, it's
Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes in the Sawmill. Imagine working in here, scaring people and getting paid for it.
What's the comparison? Daytime versus regular? Just daytime? Daytime.
Just behind this window.
Yeah.
Controls everything, all the noises.
Okay. Just the lights. Cool. Nice. Across this place, you know.
Continuing through.
I don't know if I,
So it's like behind the scenes, right after close. Pretty cool. This is all made out of crates. And
then there's secret buttons behind here as well. So there's buttons.
Wait, how did you get there?
buttons. The secret buttons. Okay, no, it's set off.
God damn! Wait, are they gonna be locked out? Or?
Yeah, it's not there, right?
Yeah.
Just a little button lets all this fog off. You got fog and those compressed air bursts. Just a touch of a button. I wondered how they set those off. So, getting a behind-the-scenes walkthrough here of the Sawmill. This is all made out of crates. All this unsteady terrain. You see Alan walking on it. Goes down as you step on it. Through this outdoor sector here is where the guy was with the spoons. And this is what it's like walking here with nobody here. Pretty cool. So Aiden's just controlling all this with the touch of a button. All the music and all that. It's dark strobe. Hey, that can't not get you, man. Those things are loud. Love it. See, and then a touch of a button. It brings the lights back up. So if the workers are in here and they're going through... No, you don't even notice this with all the lights off. The detail is awesome. It's incredible.
It's different in the light, isn't it?
Definitely. Yeah, I didn't notice this skeleton lady over here. A foot. Severed heads. Ew, there's like brain matter on that. Right. It's like an autopsy video.
So you got like all the
Pretty
put
cool.
this all together? Is that
Look, it's the Undertaker's urn. Undertaker's urn. Look, yeah, severed finger. Ew. Pretty cool. Some more light in here. Check this out. Here's the corpse on the slab. Look at the work on the bones. Those are pretty solid.
I thought this thing was gonna jump out.
I could tell it was a pretty cool.
Oh, it was a mortar and pestle.
Look, it's a large intestine. It's an intestine. Yeah, very cool to walk through. Lights on too. That giant saw blade. Wow, that's cool. Just a little crackle effect. It scares the shit out of you. Guys, enjoy this. Oh, jeez. Those will scare you at any point. Awesome. You guys enjoyed this little daylight, lights on walkthrough tour.
Who's drinking on the job? Who's drinking on the job?
I'm just saying, Johnny, all this was actually taken from a Sawmill in Lanark.
That's cool.
Okay.
So yeah, they were about to destroy it and knock it down, and we got a phone call saying, hey, do you want to come and get anything out? Like they saw we were building this Sawmill
Nice.
thing. We went out there with a few guys, and we spent a couple of days basically ripping all this out. Cool. And they did say that someone actually died at that Sawmill, so I guess it's actually
Adds to like the
Adds to the
whole
creamy.
terror, yeah.
And this actually, this bridge, we don't use it anymore, but it does actually move. Oh!
I got Matty once though.
Oh, that's pretty good. That is a cool elevator. So they are close. We're getting a behind-the-scenes tour here of the Sawmill.
That was, I think,
Bonus
the best
tonight.
part.
Got added stuff here. Stuff doesn't fall on you in the regular.
So every room runs on a controller. So every room has its controller behind it. Basically the brain of every container. So like I can program all these, audio and lighting, and that's what fires like the elevator, which runs on airbags. And the ceiling's also on pneumatics as well, and the power controls now.
Behind the scenes walkthrough of the Sawmill. Aiden's the man here. And then we got a lights on behind the scenes walkthrough, so that was pretty cool. Very good for your first experience.
Got to see some cool stuff in
Yeah,
the Sawmill.
I'll bring you with me at the end of September, and you can you can see everything. The Sawmill is staying here at Saunders this year, so come to Saunders. The Sawmill. Thanks again, everybody. Please like, please subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe to let you know when a new episode goes up. Never know what you may be missing here on the Mr. Thrasha show. Is that right, Talon?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, every time. Every time.
Oh yeah. All right. We'll see you guys next time. The apple cheers. Happy
Oh,
summer
yeah.
ween, fella.
Happy summer ween, man. Delicious.
Hey, Talon. We survived.
Survived. Get me out of here!